Hey friends, if you wish to fix combase dll missing or not found error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So, here's the thing. Whenever we encounter any issue where the DLL is missing, our first approach is to perform an SFC scan. So, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Then type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. This is one thing. The next one will be to download Microsoft C++ redistributable. So open Microsoft Edge, search for Microsoft C++ redistributable, click on the option here, select Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022, scroll down and then click on x64. Okay, and then you can click on open. Okay, and then click on repair. When you click on repair, it will start reinstalling all the DLL files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.